You're still here, my friend? Ah, that's great. That means you already have the first secret. You showed up, and that's where success begins. Now, let's be real. Being consistent isn't easy. Everyone starts strong, but over time, it gets hard to keep going. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you don't have time. Or maybe you just don't see results yet. Don't worry, that's normal. Let's talk about why consistency feels hard and how you can stay on track. First, sometimes we wait for motivation. We say, I'll study when I feel ready. But guess what? Motivation doesn't last. Some days you feel inspired, and some days you don't. The real trick is to do it even when you don't feel like it. That's called discipline. Discipline is like a quiet friend who says, let's do it anyway. Repeat after me. I'll do it even when I don't feel like it. Good. That's how winners think. Second, distractions. Oh, wow, we all have them. Our phones, social media, YouTube, TV, they steal our time. One simple tip, when it's time to study, put your phone away. Or turn off notifications for 10 minutes. That's all you need. You'll be amazed at how much you can focus. Third, not seeing quick results. This one hurts the most. We practice, we wait, but we don't see big changes right away. But remember this, every small step still moves you forward, even if you don't notice it. Just like planting a seed, you can't see it growing at first, but under the ground, something is happening. Repeat after me. Something is happening even if I can't see it. Now, let's make a plan, a simple daily plan to stay consistent. Step 1. Start small. Don't try to do everything. Just pick one small habit. For example, practice English for 5 or 10 minutes a day. That's it. If it feels easy, you'll keep doing it. Over time, small things grow. Step 2. Make a routine. Choose a time that works for you. Morning, evening, before bed, any time is fine. Just make it your English time. When it becomes part of your day, your brain starts to expect it. Step 3. Track your progress. Use a notebook or your phone. Write one sentence each day. I practiced for 10 minutes today. You'll feel proud when you see your progress building up. Step 4. Stay kind to yourself. If you miss a day, it's okay. Don't quit. Just start again the next day. Remember, success is not about perfection. It's about persistence. Let's practice one more time together. It's okay to make mistakes. I will start again tomorrow. I'm proud of myself for trying. Beautiful. You see, you're already doing it. The truth is, consistency is not about doing big things. It's about showing up every day with a small smile and a big heart. So, my friend, here's my challenge for you. Today, take one small action, just one. Maybe listen to an English podcast. Maybe write 3 new words. Maybe speak one sentence aloud. And tomorrow, do it again. Little by little, you will change. Your English will grow. Your confidence will shine. And one day you'll say, I made it. I really did it. Keep going, my friend. You're doing amazing. Remember, consistency is the key to success. I'm Jack from TWS English Podcast, and I'm so proud of you for being here today. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and never stop believing in yourself.
Hey there, my friend. Welcome back to TWS English Podcast. I'm Jack, and today I want to talk about something that can truly change your life. This one word can open the door to success. Consistency. Have you ever asked yourself why some people reach their goals while others give up? It's not because they're smarter, luckier, or more talented. The real secret is something simple. It's about doing small things every day, not once in a while, every single day. Let me tell you a story. Imagine two friends. Both want to learn English. One studies for 10 minutes every day. The other studies for 5 hours, but only once a month. Who do you think will learn faster? That's right, the one who studies every day. Because small daily actions create big results over time. Repeat after me. Small steps every day. Good. Again, small steps every day. That's how success works. You don't need to do something big or fancy. You just need to keep going, little by little. Consistency means showing up. It means doing something even when you don't feel like it. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel busy. But if you still take one small step, that's where the magic happens. Think about this. If you study English for 10 minutes every day, after 1 month, that's 300 minutes. After a year, that's 60 hours. Wow, that's a lot of progress. But if you study only once in a while, you forget and you start again. That's why consistency is so powerful. Now, let's make it real. What does consistency look like for you? Maybe it means listening to one English podcast each morning. Maybe it means repeating 5 new words every night before bed. Or maybe it's writing one short sentence in English every day. Whatever it is, make it small. Make it easy. And make it regular. Here's the truth. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every single day. So, let's practice some phrases together. Repeat after me. I will keep going. I will practice every day. I can do it. Beautiful. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Everyone does. The key is to keep going, because the more you repeat, the stronger your skill becomes, just like a muscle. Every time you practice, your brain learns a little more. Remember, consistency builds confidence. The more you practice, the more natural it feels. And one day, you'll look back and say, "Wow, I really did it." Ah, my friend, success is not a race. It's a journey, a slow, steady journey. So take your time, enjoy it, and keep moving forward, one small step every day.